Let's make delicious chicken shawarma pitas. You'll need 2 chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, salt, pepper, pita bread, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, and tahini sauce. First, marinate the chicken. Mix olive oil, lemon juice, cumin, paprika, turmeric, coriander, cayenne, garlic, salt, and pepper. Add chicken breasts and coat well. Marinate for 30 minutes. Cook the chicken in a hot pan until fully cooked and golden brown, about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Slice the chicken into thin strips. Assemble your pitas with sliced chicken, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, and a drizzle of tahini sauce. And there you have it, chicken shawarma pitas. Enjoy these authentic Middle Eastern flavors. Follow for more recipes.